It's week 5 of your CBAT journey, and we're wrapping it up just the way we started, in comfort, in color, and with so much heart. Grabe, Nomshi! Parang kahapon lang, napahuli silang lahat. Yeah, orientation night. Medyo tahimik, may halong kaba, pero puno ng excitement. Pero ngayon, week 5 na. It's the conversation we all need. Yes. Let's all give a warm, comfy, hoodie hug welcome to the man of the hour, personally chosen by the voice master himself to lead us in this important session, Sir Nabi Garcia.
Intro ah. Thank you, Mr. Madam Moretti. Great to see you this lovely afternoon. And syempre ating batch 31. Ang dami natin. Punong-puno yung Zoom natin.
Alright, so yes, good luck sa mga SBXs nyo, and I hope you'll be able to complete your tasks. Yes. And I'm sure you will. You will. You will. It sounds like so difficult, but you will, right? Mom Suzy? Correct one. Again, this has been your fairy storyteller, Miss Joey, the wishful voice from CBAP Batch Philippines. Kayo pa rin ay nakasubaybay